Once you've archived your mails, you'll naturally want to find them just as quickly. Let's head over to the folders on the left side of Outlook. The easiest way to find your LeanMail archive is to look in the favorites where we have placed a virtual copy during the installation process. The LeanMail archive is sorted by categories and collapsed by default, but you can change the default settings by going into Options. To locate a specific mail, scroll down to the appropriate category and click on the arrow. If you prefer, you can also sort by received, from, the subject line, or notes. I know I filed that mail today. Here it is. But what if I had forgotten that? I could have found it under Bank. Or by the name of the provider, BBVA. Or by the sender, Maria. No more folders to pour through. But what if you have a lot of mails in a single category? In that case, Notes will really help you. You'll learn more about Notes in the advanced video section. Don't worry, it's not that advanced. Are you getting the picture now? What this means is that you no longer need to depend on the universal search, although you can use that as well if you like.